Here we're going to replace a auxiliary drive belt BMW 116 diesel 1.5 engine. Here we've got a belt, E6PK 1150, 16mm socket on a ratchet and a pry tool. I'm going to open the bonnet, remove the engine tray, remove these plastic grommets, remove the airflow sensor and a 6mm socket on this Jubilee clip. Loosen that off. Then we can pull this up, pull that side up in the middle, place that down. We've got some more plastic grommets down here. Just lift this out. On the drive belt there, 16mm socket on the tensioner. I'm going to pull upwards to release the tension. Then we can get that belt off. And the belt's slipped off. You can let go of the tensioner, remove the socket, and slip this old belt off. If you look at this belt here, it's been fraying. It's falling apart. So we're going to bend this one. And we've got our new one. Slip it over there. Around the back of the tensioner. Around the crank pulley. Let's take it off the tensioner for a minute and get it around the aircon pump. Back onto the alternator. So now we've got all of these on. We just need to get our socket on here again. When you got a socket on here, you're just going to pull it up like this, and you can slip your belt on and release the tensioner, and it's all in place. Just make sure you've got the grooves level and the belt is sitting level. Then you can start the car up. We can put our cover back on there and get the rest of the airbox on. Your airbox and your engine covers back on. We're going to get back inside the car, start it up. And just let it idle for a few minutes. Make sure everything is running right and your belt is not coming back off. And that will be job done. Here you can see what we've used. 6PK 1150. 16mm socket with a ratchet and extension, trim, pry tool, and a 6mm screwdriver. That's all done for this video. Hope that helps. Thank you and goodbye.